नमस्कार वेलकम टु जय इङ्ग्लिस ल्याङ्ग्वेज लर्निङ च्यानल। आज यो भिडियोमा हामी दैनिक कुराकानीका लागि प्रयोगमा आउने विभिन्न प्रकारका क्वेशन र आन्सरहरू अभ्यास गर्नेछौँ। यसले हामीलाई दैनिक कुराकानीमा सहयोग गर्नेछ। अतः आउनुहोस् भिडियो सुरु गरौँ। What do you do? What do you do? तिमी के गर्छौ? What do you do? तिमी के गर्छौ? I am a student. I am a student. म विद्यार्थी हूँ। I am a student. म विद्यार्थी हूँ। What do you do? I am a student. What are you eating? What are you eating? तिमी के खाँदैछौ? What are you eating? तिमी के खाँदैछौ? I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. म स्याउ खाँदैछु। I am eating an apple. म स्याउ खाँदैछु। What are you eating? I am eating an apple. What happened? What happened? के भयो? What happened? के भयो? Nothing. के पनि भएको छैन। Nothing. के पनि भएको छैन। What happened? Nothing. What's the matter? What's the matter? के कुरा हो? What's the matter? के कुरा हो? Nothing special. Nothing special. खास केही पनि होइन। Nothing special. खास केही होइन। Nothing special. खास केही होइन। What's the matter? Nothing special. What is over there? What is over there? त्यहाँ के छ? What is over there? त्यहाँ के छ? There is a cow. त्यहाँ एउटा गाई छ। There is a cow. त्यहाँ एउटा गाई छ। What is over there? There is a cow. What is he eating? What is he eating? ऊ के खाँदैछ? What is he eating? ऊ के खाँदैछ? He is eating rice. ऊ भात खाँदैछ। He is eating rice. ऊ भात खाँदैछ। What is he eating? He is eating rice. What is she cooking? What is she cooking? उनी के पकाउँदैछिन्? What is she cooking? उनी के पकाउँदैछिन्? She is cooking rice. She is cooking rice. उनी भात पकाउँदैछिन्। What is she cooking? She is cooking rice. What does it mean? What does it mean? यसको अर्थ के हो? What does it mean? यसको अर्थ के हो? It means अब यसको अर्थ के हो जे सोधिएको छ त्यो अनुसार त्यो अर्थ यहाँ हामीले भन्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। What does it mean? It means what is on the table? टेबलमा के छ? What is on the table? टेबलमा के छ? There are books on the table. There are books on the table. टेबलमा किताबहरू छन्. There are books on the table. What is on the table? There are books on the table. What is the problem? समस्या के हो? What is the problem? समस्या के हो? अब समस्या के हो त्यो समस्या हामीले भन्नुपर्ने हुन्छ यहाँ. What is the problem? समस्या के हो? What should I bring? What should I bring? What should I bring? म के ल्याऊँ? What should I bring? म के ल्याऊँ? अब जे भन्छ त्यो ल्याउनु पर्ने हुन्छ यहाँ. What should I bring? म के ल्याऊँ? What is your address? What is your address? तपाईको ठेगाना के हो? What is your address? तपाईको ठेगाना के हो? कसैको ठेगाना सोध्नु पर्यो भने तपाईको ठेगाना के हो भनेर सोध्नको लागि अंग्रेजीमा what is your address भन्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. What are you cooking? What are you cooking? तपाई के पकाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you cooking? तपाई के पकाउँदै हुनुहुन्छ? I am cooking meat. I am cooking meat. म मासु पकाउँदै छु. I am cooking meat. What are you cooking? I am cooking meat. What are you reading? तपाई के पढ्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you reading? तपाई के पढ्दै हुनुहुन्छ? I am reading newspaper. I am reading newspaper. म पत्रिका पढ्दै छु. I am reading newspaper. What are you reading? I am reading newspaper. What happened, Ria? What happened, Ria? Ria, के भयो? What happened, Ria? Ria, के भयो? Nothing. के पनि भएको छैन. Nothing. What happened, Ria? Nothing. What made you so sad? What made you so sad? केले तिमीलाई यति निराश बनायो? What made you so sad? केले तिमीलाई यति निराश बनायो? What made you so sad? My failure. मेरो असफलताले. My failure. What made you so sad? My failure. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? तिमी के खोज्दैछौ? What are you looking for? तिमी के खोज्दैछौ? I am looking for my socks. I am looking for my socks. म मेरो मौजा खोज्दैछु. म मेरो मौजा खोज्दैछु. I am looking for my socks. What are you looking for? I am looking for my socks. What is she looking for? What is she looking for? उनी के खोज्दै छिन्? What is she looking for? उनी के खोज्दै छिन्? What are they looking for? What are they looking for? उनीहरू के खोज्दै छन्? What are they looking for? उनीहरू के खोज्दैछन्? Do you know what he said? Do you know what he said? तिमीलाई थाहा छ उसले के भन्यो? Do you know what he said? तिमीलाई थाहा छ उसले के भन्यो? Do you know what he said? What time do you get up? What time do you get up? तपाईँ कतिखेर उठ्नुहुन्छ? What time do you get up? I get up at 6 o'clock. यसरी हामीले भन्नुपर्ने हुन्छ यसको उत्तर. What time do you get up? कसैले सोध्यो भने I get up at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. हामी भन्न सक्छौं. I get up at 6 o'clock. What time do you get up? I get up at 6 o'clock. म 6 बजे उठ्छु. What time do you get up? I get up at 6 o'clock. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. के भनु मलाई थाहा छैन. I don't know what to say. के भनु मलाई थाहा छैन. What do you do on Saturday? What do you do on Saturday? तपाईँ शनिबार के गर्नुहुन्छ? What do you do on Saturday? तपाईँ शनिबार के गर्नुहुन्छ? What do you do on Saturday? What do you want to drink? What do you want to drink? तिमी के पिउन चाहन्छौ? What do you want to drink? तिमी के पिउन चाहन्छौ? What do you drink? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? तपाईँ के को बारेमा कुरा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What are you talking about? तपाईँ के को बारेमा कुरा गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ? What do you like about her? What do you like about her? उनको तपाईलाई के मन पर्छ? What do you like about her? उनको तपाईलाई के मन पर्छ? What do you like about her? What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? यहाँ BET भएछ, BED बनाउनु होला, यो T लाई D बनाउनु होला. What time do you go to bed? तपाईँ ओछ्यानमा कुन समयमा जानुहुन्छ? तपाईँ ओछ्यानमा कुन समयमा जानुहुन्छ? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. You can answer of this question like this. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. What is your mother tongue? What is your mother tongue? तपाईको मातृभाषा कुन हो? What is your mother tongue? तपाईको मातृभाषा कुन हो? My mother tongue is Nepali. My mother tongue is Nepali. मेरो मातृभाषा नेपाली हो. My mother tongue is Nepali. मेरो मातृभाषा नेपाली हो. What is your mother tongue? My mother tongue is Nepali. What did you do this morning? What did you do this morning? आज बिहान के गर्यो? What did you do this morning? आज बिहान के गर्यो?